Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Grade 3, today our topic is money and our objectives are conversion of rupees and dollars into paisas and cent. Okay, grade 3, open up your book, page number 71. As you can see in your book, when converting rupees into paisas, multiply the number of rupees by 100. Students, when you have to convert rupees or dollars into paisas and cents, you have to multiply. Why you have to multiply? Because we already know that एक रुपीज़ में 100 पैसाज होते हैं. That's why to convert rupees into paisas, we will multiply with the 100 and same to multiply to convert dollars into cent, we will apply the same procedure. So now look at the board. Rupees into paisas and dollars into cent. Here you can see we have 7 rupees and we have to convert into paisas. So what we will do, I have already told you, we will multiply 7 rupees with the 100. So we will get 700. Same in the dollar case. What we will do here, we have $25 and have to convert into cents. So what we will do, we know there are 100 cents in $1. So this is the rule. As we already know, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि 1 रुपये में 100 पैसा होते हैं, in the same way $1 में 100 सेंट होते हैं. सब पैसा, सब जो इसका होते हैं ना पैसे इसके. That's why we will convert, multiply with the 100 to convert dollars into cent. 25 multiplied by 100 will be 2500 cent. Grade 3, in another example, the money that when it is written in the form of like 3 rupees and 15 paisas. So what we will do here, you have to convert the 3 rupees into paisas. We already have 15 paisas. So what we will do, we will remove the point and RS. क्या करेंगे? We will remove the point and RS. So we will write only 3, 15 and we will write only P. It means 315 paisas. When you are given the amount in rupees and paisas both, for example 3 rupees 15 paisas, so what you will do, the procedure is you will remove the RS को भी remove कर देंगे and point को भी, we will remove the point also and we will simply write 315p. So if we take the other example of dollars, so this is an example of dollars. You are given $96.08. So you have to convert the dollars, only dollars into cent. The same procedure you have to apply that you have applied in the rupees case and from rupees to paisas. What we will do here, we will remove the dollar. हम डॉलर को रिमूव कर देंगे. We will write 96. We will also remove the point. We will only put the cent sign. We will remove the dollar sign and the point and we will write, place only the cent sign. So to convert dollars into cents, when we are given dollars and cents in the form of, in this form, when you have dollars and cents, so what you will do, you will only remove the dollar sign and the point and you will place the cent sign. Okay, grade 3.